every single person who lives in this state, who lives in our neighborhoods, all these folks, all of them are New Yorkers.
That's right.
Whether they're undocumented or not, they are New Yorkers.
Right, right.
We want to be innovative?
Yes.
We want to be innovative because Colorado passed that waiver, Washington State passed that waiver. We should not be third, fourth, fifth in line to pass that waiver to make sure every single New Yorker gets covered.
There is a clear way to fund this bill. This is now a political decision that is lasting in the governor's hands. We want to say loud and clear that our immigrant community wants to have coverage for all in the budget now.
Lo que yo sueño y demando a la gobernadora Hochul es que los migrantes tengan acceso a coberturas de salud independientemente de su estatus migratorio. ¿Se puede, compañeros? ¡Sí se puede!